Hey guys, so today's reading buddy is Mom.
Hey, I'm Janet.
Okay, so what we're going to talk about is the Disney Sing-Along. A Disney TV special is on TV April 16th. It's coming up soon. The TV special will have actors and singers. The actors and singers will sing songs. The songs are from Disney movies. The TV special is a sing-along too, so that y'all can sing along with it. People at home can sing the songs. Words from the songs will be at the bottom of the TV. People can read the words and sing along. They sing with the actors and singers. What song would you like to sing? Me personally, Part of Your World. Mom?
Never Smile at the Crocodile from Peter Pan.
I hope y'all have a good day. Bye.
Bye.